Okay, so I'm right excited about my new book coming out, right? It's coming out in November. It's going to be beautiful. It's rug hooking, landscape rug hooking the landscape. So what I want to do is I want to celebrate that. I want to celebrate that with a 4-part series that we're going to go do throughout 2025 and 2026. We're going to do one in October, one in January, one in April, and one in June. And we're going to give you a downloadable pattern with each of those workshops. You can buy the pattern on linen, you can buy the kits, whatever. But the workshops themselves, the series of workshops includes the downloadable pattern. So that's awesome. And they're big, they're a good size. So you can make them, when they're downloadable, of course, you can make them any size you want. So you may have gotten this card in the mail in one of your packages if you ordered from us, or if you go to the front page of our website, you will see this. And that means that you can click there and find out all the information you want to know about that series. So we have 3 different landscapes, and they're seasonal: winter, spring, summer, fall. And I'm going to teach you live and in person in 4 different workshops over the course of a year how to hook all the elements of the landscape and how to hook these elements in particular. Like, look at the gold in the sky, look at the glow in the moon, look at the interesting sky and the field of flowers and the mountains in the background. We're going to talk about sky, we're going to talk about seasons, we're going to talk about glow and illumination, we're going to talk about fields, we're going to talk about grass, we're going to talk about flowers, we're going to talk about all the elements of the landscape over the course of a year. I want you to join me, Deanne Fitzpatrick, at hookingrugs.com for a year in the landscape and help me celebrate hooking the landscape so that you can make rugs that are unmistakably art. hookingrugs.com.